Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install HestiaCP in just one click using UltaHost. So go to UltaHost and go to hosting and VPS control. Scroll down and choose whatever plan you want to get, and be sure to choose at least 4 GB of RAM. If you want 50% discount, you can choose yearly up to 3 years, or up to 50% off. So just choose VPS Professional because HestiaCP recommends 4 GB of RAM. Order and scroll down. I'll be using server location as Los Angeles, and I will not choose operating system because it will automatically choose. So I will choose Hestia control panel. It will choose Ubuntu 22.04 by default. You can also choose Debian 11. And I have nothing to do here. Just click continue and set up your server. If you don't know how to set up UltaHost, I have created a video for that. I will put a link on the description down below. So I will be going to my client area. Okay, I am here on my client area, and I will just scroll down to see my IP address. So just copy this one, paste it on your browser. So I'll be using a new tab. Okay, let's paste it here and choose 8083 ports and just hit enter. Go to advanced, accept the risk and continue. For username, by default is admin, and your password is located on your client area. So let's go back to UltaHost and go to server information. Okay, just copy this password and paste it here. Click login. So now you are here on your Hestia dashboard. Now you can install whatever application you want to install. For instance, WordPress. You can also use HestiaCP's email feature. Okay, since HestiaCP is not updated, so let's go to this gear icon and let's check. So it is not updated, so we need to update this using our command line. So use your favorite SSH client and open your terminal console. Your password is located in your UltaHost VPS control. Put your host here and use username root. So I'll be opening the terminal console and update our HestiaCP. So that will be sudo apt update. And let's upgrade. So sudo apt upgrade. Okay, we have finished upgrading our server and all the packages. Let's see if we have successfully updated HestiaCP. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, great. We have the latest version of 1.8.11. And this is how you will install HestiaCP on UltaHost with just one click. You can start hosting your WordPress websites or email server using the HestiaCP email server. So that's it. I hope you learned something, and if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.